Good morning. Welcome to video lectures organized by SSMRB College and ISR initiative. SSMRB College, one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, have come up with a unique initiative to engage the students at the time of these unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with the students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Dr. Ambika, working for the Department of Computer Applications, has posted a video on the subject data structures and the topic implementation of circular queues using linked list. Please watch the video till the end, like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Today you will be learning implementation of queues using linked list. What is a queue? A queue is a linear data structure. It follows FIFO strategy. What are the requirements? It requires two things. The first is the set of memory locations. The second would be two variables pointing to two different locations or the same location. The different operations that can be implemented on queues include insertion of element into the queue, deletion of element into the queue, and display of elements. The library files to be included in the program is listed, followed by the definition of the structure. The structure consists of two divisions. The section to hold the integer value labeled by the name info and the location to hold the address of the next node. The prototypes of the different functionalities are written. In the main function, the operations to be performed are listed. The user is prompted to make his choice. The value entered by the user is stored in choice variable. Choice is sent as a parameter to the switch statement. Based on the user input, the respective function is executed. If the user's choice is more than 4, the default statement is displayed. If the user makes a call to the insert function, a new node by name TMP is created using malloc function. The value entered by the user is stored in TMP info division. TMP is evaluated. If it turns to be null, printf statement is displayed and the control is written to the main function. isEmpty function is evaluated. If it turns to be true, rare is initialized to TMP. In this example, the user has inserted 14 at the first instance. TMP has a location 1024. As the queue is empty, rare points to 1024 location. The pointer is pointed to the same node, that is the pointer link contains 1024 location stored in it. In the second instance, 22 is entered, the location of it being 2024. Rare will point to the location 2024. When if is evaluated, else statement becomes true. Hence, TMP link stores the value of rare link, that is TMP link stores 1024. Rare link stores a TMP location, that is node containing 14 will store 2024 and rare is pointed to TMP, that is rare points to 2024 location. When the user makes a call to the delete function, del function is called. A new node by name TMP is created. The queue is checked if it is empty. As in the example, queue has 3 items. Hence, next if statement is evaluated. Rare link is equal to rare turns to be true when the queue has only one item stored. Hence, from the given example, else loop is executed. TMP is initialized to front. That is, TMP will point to 1024 address. Front will point to the next available address, that is 2024. Item is assigned the value stored in 1024 address, that is 14. The same is returned to the main function. The memory location of TMP is pointed to is deleted using free function. When the user makes a call to the display function, a node by name P is created. If statement is evaluated to check if the queue is empty. As the queue has 3 items, the next series of statements are executed. P is initialized to rear link, that is 1024 address location. 14 is displayed. Then P is reinitialized to the next location 2024. 22 is displayed. Similarly, P is reinitialized to 3042 memory location and -6 is displayed. As the while statement turns to become false, the control is passed to the main function. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.